Good day, YouTube, and welcome to my DIY channel. I'm your host, Tim Shiflett, and I hope to get you the most out of your garage. Alright, so this is the Harbor Freight 1,500 pound motorcycle ATV jack. I got it so I can do service on my Road King. I'm interested to see if it's able to lift it for one, and then how stable it is. It does come with the lift extensions that you see there on the floor. They allow you to get up under high clearance motorcycles or ATVs. I'm telling you, I've looked this thing over. It's well made. All aluminum, not a piece of plastic on it. I'm just totally impressed with it. Moves slow across the floor. And we're going to get it over here and see what it'll do to this bad boy. So let's roll it over and get started. On the side here and line it up with the middle. Let's see here. Make sure I got it on both sides real good. All right. Looks good on that side. Make sure we're going to get clearance on this side. Great. Wow. Got both wheels off the ground with no effort whatsoever. This is awesome. This is awesome. Do a double check, safety wise. Rocks a little bit on the low point, but still serviceable. Let's go up further and see what we have. Awesome. The safety lock just clicked in for that height. I tell you, I'm going to go all the way up and see. It should take out some of that play. And the other safety lock just clicked in. Oh yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome. Let's see here. Oh, look at that, folks. It moves around. Slides across the floor. That is pretty smart. Pretty smart. I love that. That is excellent. Wow. It's got this protective rubber on the handle so you don't ding up your chrome or your bike or your paint. Very nice, very impressed. Now I can get at it. Polish my chrome, service my bike, and I really don't have to be down on my knees, on the ground. Everything's right at me. Very comfortable spot for my bike for servicing. All right. Let's see how we get it down. So we're going to take out the safety, and we're going to release it slowly. And there it goes. That is awesome. Look how smooth that is. I'm just going to carefully lower it. keeping a hand on the jack, hand on the bike at all times. And there it is. Make sure I have my kickstand. Boom. Out of the way. That is awesome. So I hope you like this review on the Harbor Freight jack. I have more videos to come. Check you on the flip side.